English should not be a official language of India because Hindi is itself a very pure and very good language.
We can see the example of South India, North India. They're only speaking English.
But in our country, about 30% people don't speak English very well.
Yes.
Because when we come to India, so we know that India is a diverse country with many languages, and it is not possible for everyone to.
Hello everyone, you're watching this video on our YouTube channel Persona Institute for English, and today we have a great discussion with these extraordinary students. So let's begin. Everybody, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
How the Joes? How the Joes? अरे कोई जोश दिख नहीं रहा है आप लोगों में यार, आप परसोना की स्टूडेंट. हाउ द जोश? Really? Okay. So I'm giving you very interesting topic to speak today. And here, this is a talk show. I will come to you personally to know your personal views about the topic, and you guys have to speak confidently. No need to get fear, okay? क्योंकि परसोना वाले बच्चे डरते नहीं हैं. Getting? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. देखो आज का जो टॉपिक है भाई, the topic is very interesting. What do you think about English language? Now the English is a worldwide language. It is spoken across the world. Now do you think that in our country India, where we find so much diversity, we have so many languages. You know, if you go to South, you will find the South Indian language there. In our MP especially, Hindi is spoken. So what the one thing that is English, that is spoken across the world and across the country. So do you think that English should be an official language? If you think it should be an official language, why? And if you think it should not be an official language, why? You have to put your views frankly, and let's start the session from Katyani. I think she's going to speak very well about this. Yes, Katyani, what do you think?
So in my opinion, English should be an official language in India because we can see that India is a diverse country and everyone has their own native languages.
Yeah.
So it is not easy to learn all the languages. So I think English helps to connect all the people. So,
but what about the people who don't understand English? Now in our MP2, most of the people don't understand English. You know, only few people, and especially the school-going student and college-going student understand English. But rest of the people, they don't understand English.
We should provide them proper education to this, and by this they also develop their personality.
Okay.
So it's also help them.
But the native people, the farmers, the labor class, you know, it's very tough to speak English for them. It's very tough to understand English for them. Don't you think so?
It is, but as I said that it is not easy to learn all the languages. We have lots of languages.
Okay.
And by English we can convert this. So maybe it is easy for everyone.
It is easy for everyone. Wow, that's good. Now let's move on to the other. We have the next participant. What's your name?
Suryansh.
Suryansh.
English is very necessary language.
Yeah.
Like it is used in basically AI and also becoming a global language.
Yeah.
So I am telling that India is a very diverse and rich country. Talking to its culture, and we are only known for our culture.
Yeah.
Our country is basically known for its diverse culture. So I am telling that making a colonial language our official language is not so good. Like we have Hindi, very good language. And making it English, like I know English is very necessary. We can take that language, but we should not make it an official language because we have other languages also.
So do you think that Hindi should be an official language?
Yes, Hindi should be an official language because
But what about the people of South India? What about the people of North India? They don't speak in Hindi. They have their own languages. Although they understand Hindi,
yes,
but they don't speak in English. And it becomes very tough to make them understand English language.
Like I said, like we don't need to make official language. English doesn't need to make an official language of India.
Yeah.
Like I am telling, they understand Hindi very well. I think some of them don't speak, but mainly the majority of people speaks Hindi.
Wow. Okay, now the topic is a little bit confusing right now. Let's know what other are going to say. Yes. I think Pratha will explain it very well. Yes, Pratha.
So basically language plays a very crucial role in their own.
Yeah.
And I personally believe that English should not be a official language of India because Hindi is itself a very pure and very good language, and and the poor and the illiterate people will find it difficult to understand. So I guess it should there should no official language, and yeah, that's my view.
Okay, English should not be an official language.
Yes, sir.
So do you think that Hindi can replace and Hindi can be an official language?
So, as I said that there should be no official language, there should be no foundation of language in India.
There should be no foundation of language. But if we have to say that now this particular language is an official language of country India and the language that can represent the nation, what it should be? Hindi or English?
Hindi.
It should be Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Because it is our own language.
It's our native language, it's our mother tongue, so I believe Hindi should be represented as a official or national
Okay.
language.
Do you think that Hindi can represent our nation, our culture?
Yeah, sir. It's a very pure language.
It's a very pure language. Wow, that's great. So that's her point, that she thinks that let's know what other speaker are going to say. Yes.
According to me, English language should not be make a official language, because in India there are more people know Hindi as compared to English, and now ma'am said that in a villager they don't know English. That's why I think English should not be make a official language.
Okay. Let's know what other are going to say. Yes.
Yes, I think English and no any language are to the official language in India, because the South Indian language, North Indian language, so that the regionals, the traditional, so the India is very regional country. That's why any language are not official language. Say that.
Okay. No language should be official. Let the people speak their own language.
Yes.
Yes. Let's know what she's going to say.
So in my point of view, as much I think so, there should be no official language, because when we come to India, so we know that India is a diverse country with many languages, and it is not possible for everyone to speak English and Hindi.
But one thing that I want to know and I want to tell you all, that in every official walk, it is done in bilingual. You know, we have two languages, Hindi and native language. We have English and native language. In our MP, people speak Hindi and also they use English. If you go to South India, then people speak the South Indian languages and also they understand English. Somehow English is the language that is spoken and that is understood across the country. Go to any part of the country, you will find English speaking people. You know what? Somehow if we make English as an official language, so what we can do? We can unite the nation with one thread, and that would be English. Is it possible that with the help of English we can unite the entire nation? Yes.
Sir, I agree with your point that English is a connecting language. But when we talk about diverse means we are having many other languages, and when it comes to official languages, so many people are having protest against English and Hindi to be an official language, because we all know it is not easy for everyone, and when we especially come about poor people and the farmers and illiterate people, so it is not easy for them to learn English that much easily and understand English. Okay, if we talk about today's generation, so it is easy for us to learn English easily, but for them it is not that much easy.
Let's know what Swara is going to say. Yes, Swara.
So I think English should be the official language of India, because it is being used in each and every part of this world.
Yeah.
And if we go abroad, so it will be always helpful to us. And if we talk about this present generation, children are having craze to learn English.
Yes.
That's why.
Okay, that's great. Wow. The next, yes. What do you want to say?
Sir, according to my point of view, English is a good language, but we have many other languages like Hindi and many others. They are good, but in our country, about 30% people don't speak English very well.
Yes.
So our government should not make English as an official language.
Because people don't speak in English. That is why.
Yes.
But do you think that now the day would come and where English will be spoken in our country? And now India is the second largest country in the world where English is spoken. You know that?
Yes,
Most
sir.
of the people in our country speak in English. So this is the second largest country in the world where English is spoken. So we should actually feel proud that we are speaking the language which is spoken across the world. The worldwide language we are adopting and we are speaking it. So there is nothing wrong to adopt a language. And I'm not telling you to adopt the culture. I'm telling you to adopt the language, because adopting any language can never be the part of adopting culture. You got it? That we must know, and we have to accept this truth, because we are adopting a language. You know what? Okay, let's move on to the other points. What other are going to say? Yes.
Sir, in my opinion, English should not be official language because if we are taking English, so it means we are not respecting our historians and all other parents because in this generation it should be English but not that much, and English should be spoken in India but not official because all country have them own language, and India should also be them own language.
Okay, India should have its own language. India should not adopt others countries' language. It should have its own language. That is his point. Jalad, what are your points?
Sir, I think that English should not be a official language.
Okay.
Because if the person that they don't understand how to speak English, if they go to bank or the other like school admission for their children,
Yeah.
if they don't know how to speak English, and the opposite person that they are speaking English, so how they will answer? So they will be confused, and after that if they speak in Hindi, so their post will be that down. So the opposite of that thinking that he is in low level. So I think that the English is best to be to speak, but it should not be a official.
It should not be an official language. That's the great point. कुछ और अपने points रखना चाह रहे हैं? The youngest girl of the class is putting her views.
In my point of view, English should be the official language in India because we can see the example of South India, North India. They are only speaking English, and we can join our India with English because in banking, in every high post, English is used. So if we will know English before, so we can pass that exam pass this exam very well, and we will not have any doubt. So I think, in my opinion, that English should be the official language of India.
Oh, wow. Yes, what do you think?
So according to my point of view, Hindi should be an official language of India because India has its own language, and those people, there are 75% people who are doing farming in India, and maximum farmer who are not educated, so they will be face difficulty in future if English will be an official language.
Okay, when India got freedom, then in our country, only 1% people used to speak English. But right now, 40 to 50% people are speaking in English. So in this 70 years of freedom, we have increased English speaking people. Don't you think that the day would come just after 40 or 50 years, most of the Indians, 95 to 90, or we can say the 100% Indians are going to speak English? Because just after 20 years, what will happen? Everybody will be speaking in English. So everybody, no doubt, you all have spoken very well. Okay, and one thing that I want to say in the end, that no language can represent the culture of the nation. And one thing I would say, adopting any language can never be the part of adopting culture. So, but no doubt you guys have given you the great points, and a good clapping for all. Wow.